This was once the garage. The garage is now gone. My car is fucking destroyed. That's my car. The whole used car lot, everything is gone. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, the fucking... Holy shit, we just survived the fucking tornado, Scott. Scott, we just fucking survived the fucking tornado, man. It's gone. It already went by. Look at the fucking tow trucks, man. They're fucking gone. Here comes the fucking aftermath rain. Holy shit. Oh my god. I can't believe we just fucking survived that underneath the fucking set of stairs. Hey, I think that's the engine from out back. Like 15 acres out back. Look at that fucking twister, guys. Look at it. Look at it. It's probably a fucking mile wide. Oh my god, I can't get to my fucking car right now. Oh my god. The fucking building is gone. Tow trucks are fucking gone. Customers' cars are gone. Oh my god. Power lines are down. Hey, that Nissan will still drive. My car is in the middle of the street right now. Oh my god. Dave's fucking car. His pride and joy from when he was 16 years old. Oh my god. Look, we were inside of that when that just happened. Inside of that.
Look at my car.
Where's your car? Dude, your car is safe, man. Look at my car. Dude, his Jeep. Look, this is my car, dude. It took my hood scoop. Oh my god. Wow. That happened in seconds. Oh, fucking J-hook. J-hook in the middle of the street. Oh my god. Look at the refrigerator in the kitchen up there. Trees are still falling. Oh my god.
Dave's car.
Dave's car is now lifted on top of an engine block. Oh, his office is gone. Where is his office? It's over there somewhere.